Welcome to the world of high-power home cleaning. This is the V-TUF V7, built for homeowners who want professional results. At its core is a powerful 2,100-watt brushless motor, delivering 40% more life than standard domestic water pressures built to last. With 195 bar max pressure and 7.2 litres per minute flow, the V7 cuts through the grime on patios, driveways, decking and vehicles. Tackle tough surfaces fast with the V-TUF VXB Patio Cleaner, giving you a wider, streak-free clean. With every pass, the V7 delivers true professional cleaning power for your home. A 10-meter hose on a built-in reel gives you long reach and easy handling. All accessories store neatly on board to keep your space tidy. The built-in detergent tank makes applying cleaning solution quick and effortless. Then apply a thick pre-wash layer with the snow foam applicator. The adjustable lifting handle and telescopic trolley make it easy to transport, even to lift in and out of a car. With a sealed motor, brass inlet and rugged build, the V7 is designed for years of dependable use. Swap nozzles fast with the quick release system. Everything stores neatly on board, including your quick release nozzles, foam applicator and lance extension, so you're always ready for any task. With pro-grade pressure, smart storage and serious durability, the V-TUF V7 is built for a lifetime of tough cleaning. V-TUF V7. Reliable, robust, ready for anything.